Welcome to the Godot beginner course. In this course, you will learn the basics of Godot and build your first 2D game. My name is Kaan Alpar and I'm an independent game developer. I've been making games for over 5 years and I'm very excited to teach you about Godot. I designed this course for people who want to get into game development. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of the basics of Godot. We will start by covering everything you need to know in order to start making games. After covering the basics, you will apply everything you've learned and create the arcade game Pong. The ideal student for this course is someone who's new to game development but who has some experience in programming. If you know things like variables, functions, loops, and classes, you're good to go. You don't necessarily need to be an expert programmer. Feel free to watch some of the preview classes and I look forward to seeing you in class. Let's go.